Alright, today we're gonna bring a brush. Today we're gonna bring a brush. It has a filer to give you an actual nail cutter. This is a great brush. I'm gonna show you what it does. So look at this. So when you're brushing your dog hair, this is the problem. It's hard to get rid of dog hair, but look at that. You push it out and it gets rid of it. I'm gonna show you a before and after on the actual shedder. So this is a great brush for those that hate to take the hair off of it. And I have a brush that cannot take the hair for a long time, and it's very difficult. I have to use a tool or something, but this one, let's see how it works. Let's go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna show you the one I currently own, and this is the new one that the hair does not stick because you got that push away, right? So this is the old one. I'm gonna try the new one, see how it works. All right, so we're gonna brush his hair. Look at that. This is the hardest part to do on these dogs, brushing their hair. And then this is what I'm talking about. Get rid of the hair. Look at that. Easy. Let it go. Oh yeah, this is a lot easier. A lot easier. Oh my God. Where was this? This is awesome. Look at that. There you go. Really works. Look at that. Awesome brush. Hope you guys enjoy the video.